John, Nevada Health Response has now announced that in just a few weeks, at its September 3rd meeting, the State Board of Health will consider a vaccine requirement for Nevada's public college students. But that doesn't mean it would go into effect for this fall semester. Take a look. Prerequisites. They're not uncommon when signing up for college courses, but amid surging COVID cases in Nevada,
the Delta variant is different, and we're seeing that impacting the younger 18 to 24 crowd.
Could vaccination proof soon become a prereq? It's looking possible. Governor Steve Sisolak last week said he's giving his health experts a nudge.
I'm asking my medical advisors to look at vaccination requirements for all students attending in-person classes at our public colleges and universities under the Nevada system of higher education.
And he's not the only state official seemingly in favor of a mandate. In a letter to the chancellor Wednesday, the NSHE COVID-19 task force said they unanimously recommend that a COVID-19 vaccine be required as soon as possible. Jason Geddes is on the NSHE Board of Regents.
A huge part of the college experience is meeting and learning about other people. And without that mandate, it's very limited. You know, the online experience isn't giving everybody the college experience that they're expecting.
While regents have the authority to encourage and promote the vaccine, a mandate would have to come from the State Board of Health.
I think once the State Board of Health mandates it, then we just have to implement it.
And that likelihood's seeming strong. After Sisolak's nudge Wednesday, his medical advisory team, or MAT, went on record Thursday saying this.
When it comes to vaccination of NSHE students, the MAT is in agreement with the unanimous recommendation from the NSHE COVID-19 task force to require vaccinations.
They're considering requiring it for students for the spring 2022 semester, according to a state spokesperson. And by the way, this current conversation revolves around students only. But how would this affect registration and enrollment for school and registration deadlines for possibly next spring? Coming up at 5:30, we'll hear more from a state leader on what the impacts could be of a mandate for vaccines for public college students. Reporting live, I'm Maddie White, Fox 5 News, local, Las Vegas.